Buenas tardes a todos y bienvenidos a mi canal, Learning Spanish with Señora Ramirez. Today we're going to learn about the verb ser, which means to be in Spanish. There are two verbs in Spanish that mean to be, ser, and the other one is called estar. But today we're going to focus on how and when to use the verb ser. Now I have come up with a mnemonic device that can help you remember which situations to use the verb ser. It is don't dip. The first D stands for date. When you're talking about the date in Spanish, you use the verb ser. If you want to ask the question, what's today's date? ¿Cuál es la fecha de hoy? Es is the conjugated form of ser in that question. The second letter is O, and that stands for origin. And the question, ¿de dónde eres?, is an example of this category. ¿De dónde eres means where are you from? That's the informal way to say where are you from. If you want to say it formally, it would be ¿de dónde es usted? The next letter in our mnemonic device is nationality. Ella es americana. She is American. The T in our mnemonic device stands for time. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? Son las 5 de la tarde. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. The second D of the mnemonic device is day. Represents the word day for day of the week. So if you want to say today's Monday, you would say es lunes. If you wanted to say it's Friday, you can say es viernes. The I in our mnemonic device stands for inherent qualities. So when you want to describe somebody, qualities that aren't typically going to change, like for example, I'm short, so I don't ever perceive that I'm going to be tall. So I would say soy baja. Soy is your conjugated form of the verb ser in that sentence. If you wanted to ask what's somebody like maybe you want to know what your best friend's brother is like, and you say, ¿Cómo es él? What is he like? Or maybe you want to know what your teacher is like, as far as is she hard, is she difficult, is she easy to talk to? You could say, ¿Cómo es ella? ¿Cómo es Profesora Ramirez? What is Professor Ramirez like? So anytime you're going to be describing somebody, qualities that aren't typically going to change, you're going to use the verb ser. And then the last category of our mnemonic device is professions. The letter P stands for profession, but we're also going to put who or what a person is in this category. For example, if you want to say that you are a teacher, you could say, Yo soy profesora. I am a teacher. Or maybe you're saying that your mom is a doctor. Mi mamá es médica. Maybe you want to know who that person over there is. You would say, ¿Quién es él? Or ¿Quién es ella? And then to answer that question, maybe somebody would say, oh, él es mi jefe. He's my boss. Or ella es mi mejor amiga. She is my best friend. So guys, that is the end of our mnemonic device. These are situations in which you should use the verb ser. And here I'm going to present the way to conjugate it. So you'll see it right here. The yo pronoun, the conjugation for ser, is soy. For tu, it's eres, and that's the informal tu. The informal you. For él, ella, usted, these are all third person singular pronouns. They all conjugate the same, and they would be es. Nosotros or nosotras is somos. Vosotros or vosotras is sois. Ellos and ellas both mean they. Ellas is all female. It conjugates with the verb son. That's the conjugation for ser. And then the last one, ustedes, means y'all, and that conjugates with son as well, because ellas, and ustedes are all third person plural. All right, guys, that's going to be it today. I hope you found value in this video. If you have any questions, please type them down below and I'll be sure to answer them for you. And that is all for now. So, hasta luego.